Hey, this is Shawn from Shawn Cole Enterprises. Just wanted to make a quick video to remind y'all that I'm still running this promotion until the end of August, where I'm waiving your startup costs. Waiving your startup costs until the end of August. If you're looking to purchase any royalty products or to join royalty, you want to join my team, sign up. Links in below in the description. And you get started. You get started at a great rate. Start putting value to your business and to your life, taking better care of your loved ones and yourself by putting a little extra money in your pocket if that's what you look to do. Um, I'm looking for sales reps. I need more sales reps, man. We got plenty of people looking for these products. I need more people to get out here and touch them with it. Like I said, waiving the startup costs to the end of the month, August. Um, Great support team, great training, great motivation. That's what you get when you're with me. I don't leave you hanging. Like I said, provide training, provide resources for you to be successful in any type of sales or marketing that you decide to do. Um, I know how it is. I know how it is to get started. Um, when I got started, my upline left me hanging. And luckily for me, I was able to go and to figure it out and to be able to scale my business. A lot of people, they don't have that type of fortune. I'm here to back you up so that you can start reaching the goals that you would like to reach. That's what I do. That's what my team does. We provide support. We provide training so you can start making some money. You can hit the ground running. It's quite simple. It's not hard to do. Right now, the upline product, the um, the guest Wi-Fi is jamming right now. Like I said, too many clients, not enough reps to touch everybody that I need to touch in a timely basis. That's why I'm making this offer. My team right now, like I said, for the month of August, sales reps are giving vacation. It's up for grabs. Royalty itself, the company, the parent company, they're running a promo, whereas every 10 sales, which is usually a $250 bonus, and now this month is a $1,000 bonus. This company all the time runs promos like this, and the reps, we are making good money. We are making good full-time income. If you're not looking for full-time income, it's a beyond great part-time income, because you can't work this job, not say job, you can't work this opportunity along with your job if you have one, and have plenty of time to spend with your family, and put a little extra money aside for Christmas. College tuition, schools are going back in, man. I got a daughter and a son that moved back in this weekend, so I definitely understand that. Um, Reach out to me. Like I said, everything you need to know is in the description of this video. You can reach out to me personally. Shoot me a text message, 410-929-3390. My phone is always with me. I'm very responsive when you reach out to me. I'm always looking to help people out. Um, that's about it. That's all I have to say, man. Royalty jumping company upline. It's a jumping product. Get on now while it's hot. I'll be looking out for you. I'm here waiting. The money here, you just got to come get it, baby. That's about it. Hey, look, y'all have a great day. Thank you.